Today, I am going to tell you a strange story about a man, and a coin. A coin that is not a normal coin. No. Let's get started. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English on Autopilot. And one day, a man was walking. He was walking. Where? Where? He was walking home. He was walking home from work. The man was at work and he was walking home when he saw something shiny on the ground. It was shiny. And he saw something glitter. He looked and he reached down to grab it. And the man saw that it was a coin. But the coin was a little weird. On coins, it says the year it was made. Like, if it was this year, it would be 2025. But on this coin, it did not say 2025. It said 2089. 2089. 2089. What? The year is 2025. How could this coin say 2089? The man, he was very confused. He thought, maybe it should say 1989. Maybe. Well, the man put the coin in his pocket. He put the coin in his pocket and went home. When he got home, he talked to his wife. The man talked to his wife and he showed her the coin. He wanted her to look at the coin. The wife, she said, "Nah, it's a mistake. Don't worry. You need to sleep. You are tired. Let's go to bed." The couple did not eat dinner. They went to bed. They went to bed and fell asleep. In the morning, the man woke up, but his room was different. Everything was shiny and made of metal. The man was very confused. The man looked out the window. He looked out the window and was shocked what he saw. The man ran outside the house and he saw cars. He saw cars, but not in the street. He saw cars in the sky. He saw cars in the sky. And people were driving the cars. They were driving cars in the sky. He saw a woman. He saw a woman who was walking her dog. But her dog was not a normal dog. It was a robot dog. It was a robot. And the man asked the lady, where am I? The lady responded, you are home. You are home. The man asked, but what year is it? The lady looked at him. Well, the year is 2089, of course. And the lady kept walking. The man reached into his pocket. And the coin was missing. The coin was not in his pocket. The coin transported the man to the year 2089. And that is the end of the story. What do you think the world will look like in 2089? Do you think we will have flying cars? Put it in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to keep watching more videos of comprehensible input right here with English on autopilot. And we will see each other in the next video. Bye.